If you've ever looked at a pro woodworker's project and thought, how do they get it so perfect? The secret isn't just skill, it's the right tools. Today, I'm showing you 14 game-changing woodworking tools that will instantly level up your craftsmanship. Whether you're building furniture, carving details, or just making your weekend projects look like they came out of a high-end shop. Number 1. The Nordwolf 10-piece rotary burr set is designed for detailed shaping and finishing work on wood, plastic, and rubber. Each bit is crafted from high-carbon steel and heat-treated for strength, with a black finish that resists rust and wear. The 1/4-inch quick-change hex shank means these burrs fit most rotary tools and swap out in seconds. Precision milled cutting edges help keep them from clogging and make cuts smooth and controlled. A variety of shapes, from ball to tapered, tree, and cylindrical, give you options for carving grooves, removing material, or refining curves. Whether you're roughing out a form or adding fine details, this set offers versatility and a compact, easy-to-store rail that keeps everything organized for your next project.
Number 2. Precision starts with a mark, and this 5-piece Accusai's layout set makes every line count. Each tool is CNC machined for high accuracy and repeatability, with a grounded measuring face that stays true over time. The black anodized finish adds a layer of rust protection, while laser-engraved scales create sharp, high-contrast markings against the sand-blasted surface, easy to read in any light. Designed for versatility, this set works as well in woodworking as it does in welding, auto repair, or metal fabrication. Whether you're laying out a dovetail, aligning a weld, or marking a precise cut on sheet metal, these tools help eliminate guesswork. The result? Clean, reliable measurements that let every cut and joint fit exactly as intended. Number 3. The Spear & Jackson Tenon Saw is built for clean, accurate cuts in both directions, along and across the grain. Its precision cross-ground teeth bite smoothly into the wood, making it ideal for joinery and fine cuts on smaller pieces. A solid brass back adds weight and rigidity, keeping the blade true and preventing flex, so every stroke stays straight. The classic wooden handle, shaped for comfort and secured with brass screws, offers a firm, natural grip during detailed work. Whether you're cutting tenons, trimming miters, or working on small-scale projects, this saw combines control and stability in a way that makes each cut feel deliberate and refined. Number 4. Craig's multi-purpose project blocks make it easier to work on your projects anywhere you set up. Each block raises your material 1.5 inches off the surface, giving you room for sanding, routing, drilling, or finishing without obstruction. The Grip Max surface on both faces works in 2 ways. One side grips your workpiece to keep it steady, and the other keeps the block from sliding on your bench. That stability is especially useful when sanding or routing edges, where you want control and clearance for the bit. The extra height also makes it simple to get clamp heads underneath for pocket hole drilling or assembly. For painting and finishing, a twist reveals a retractable painting point that supports the piece without sticking or damaging the surface. It's a simple, adaptable solution that adds control, clearance, and convenience to almost any stage of a build. Number 5. The Bora Maituri takes the guesswork out of cutting perfect joints. Place it on any corner, measure the exact angle, lock it in, and transfer it straight to your miter saw. No calculations, no wasted material. The clever design automatically divides the angle in half, giving you the perfect setting for a tight, clean joint. Built with sturdy aluminum arms, it stays rigid for reliable results, whether you're working inside or outside corners, from 0 to 180 degrees. The tool covers a miter angle range from 0 to 90, making it a practical fit for crown molding, trim, baseboards, decking, flooring, and more. It's quicker and more precise than a standard protractor, helping you get those finished carpentry cuts right the first time, every time. Number 6. The Jealous 5-inch random orbital sander brings control, efficiency, and a cleaner finish to your sanding work. Its dual-action base plate both rotates and vibrates, helping to smooth surfaces evenly without visible swirl marks, while boosting efficiency by up to 30%. A 6-speed dial lets you fine-tune power for different tasks, from aggressive material removal to gentle polishing. It comes with 18 sanding discs and 6 grits, giving you options from coarse shaping to ultra-fine finishing on wood, metal, or plastic. The hook and loop pad holds discs securely with over 35,000 microhooks for long-lasting grip. An 8-hole dust collection system and breathable dust bag. Keep your workspace cleaner and protect the motor from fine particles. Compact, lightweight, and wrapped in soft rubber for comfort, it's designed for one-handed use, reducing vibration and fatigue during longer sessions. Number 7. The Rex Betty Folding Saw is a compact yet heavy-duty cutting tool built for versatility, from woodworking and landscaping to camping and bushcraft. Its 8-inch SK5 steel blade is tough, durable, and designed to handle branches up to 5 inches thick with less effort. Aggressive staggered teeth at 7 teeth per inch cut smoothly in both green and dry wood, making each stroke efficient and controlled. The long, rubber-coated polymer handle gives a secure, comfortable grip even in wet or cold weather, reducing hand fatigue over extended use. When folded, the saw is easy to store or carry, ready to slip into a toolbox, backpack, or glove compartment. It's a practical choice for anyone who needs reliable cutting power in a compact, go-anywhere design. Number 8. The Ideal Livini 8N-1 Carpenter Square and Center Finder packs multiple precision tools into one compact design. At just 3.5 by 5.5 inches, it's small enough for easy handling but versatile enough to replace several separate tools. It combines a square, protractors, marking gauges, rulers, a drill gauge, a wrench, and dual center finders, letting you measure, trace, take angles, and mark centers without switching setups. Made from 8mm thick anodized aluminum, it's durable, resistant to wear, and features laser-engraved markings that are permanent and easy to read. The included screws, position pins, angle pin, and drill bushings make setting and repeating angles simple, with accuracy up to 1/16 of an inch. 6 preset marking holes cover common angles from 22.5 to 75 degrees, and the base ruler quickly marks standard shoulder lines for mortise and tenon joints. It's a small tool that can handle a wide range of layout tasks with precision and efficiency. Number 9. The Klein Tools 935 DAA takes the guesswork out of setting and checking angles. Its LED angle alert system uses lights and audio cues to tell you when you're right on target, making alignment faster and more intuitive. It can measure absolute angles, compare relative angles, or act as a digital level with a reverse contrast display that's easy to read in bright or low light. Rare earth magnets in the base hold firmly to steel surfaces, while V-groove edges sit securely on pipes and conduit. The auto-rotating screen means you can read measurements from any position without adjusting your view. Built for demanding environments, its IP54 rating resists dust and splashes, so it's ready for the job site, the workshop, or home projects. Whether you're framing, fitting trim, or aligning machinery, it delivers quick, precise, and repeatable results. Number 10. The Vivor Folding Work Table is both a sturdy workbench and a reliable sawhorse in one portable design. It folds and unfolds quickly, with a built-in handle for easy carrying, and the mechanism is safe to set up without finger-pinching hazards. 7 adjustable height settings, from just under 24 inches to 36, let you work comfortably whether you're sitting or standing. Built to handle up to 1,000 pounds, it combines a flat MDF top with strong steel legs for stability during heavy-duty tasks. Multiple tables can even be linked together for larger projects. A versatile clamping system, complete with quick clamps, 4 bench dogs, hooks, and link locks, keeps workpieces steady for sanding, cutting, or assembly. A lower storage shelf adds room for tools and materials, keeping your workspace organized. It's a flexible, space-saving solution for workshops, garages, or job sites. Number 11. The Milescraft Bench Lock turns almost any work surface with bench dog holes into a versatile clamping station. Its tool-free design means you can install, remove, or reposition it quickly, perfect when you need to change setups on the fly. The base rotates a full 360 degrees, letting you direct clamping pressure exactly where it's needed. A built-in V-groove adds stability when securing round or angled pieces, and it adapts easily to different project shapes. For joinery, the pocket hole alignment accessory makes assembling panels and frames more precise. Whether you're holding work steady for routing, drilling, sanding, or assembly, the bench lock gives you a stable, adjustable, and adaptable clamping solution that integrates seamlessly into your bench setup. Number 12. The Boris Centipede folding work table sets up in seconds, giving you a sturdy, full-size workstation wherever you need it. With 15 flexible steel struts, it's built to support up to 6,000 pounds, strong enough for heavy machinery, large sheet goods, and demanding job site tasks. Each contact point features a P-top that protects your workpiece from marks and shields the struts from blade contact. The 360-degree rotating design of these P-tops works with all Centipede accessories, so you can adapt the table to fit your project. When you're done, it folds down quickly into the included carry bag for easy transport and compact storage. Whether you're using it as a portable saw table, an assembly station, or extra surface in the garage, it delivers strength, versatility, and setup speed in one portable package. Number 13. The Avid Power electric screwdriver is built for fast, controlled fastening and light drilling on wood, plastic, and other softer materials. Its motor delivers up to 50 inch-pounds of torque with a top speed of 200 RPM, giving you enough power for most household and workshop tasks. A 1/4-inch metal chuck makes swapping bits quick and secure, while the 5+1 torque settings let you fine-tune control for different jobs. The handle converts from a straight grip to a pistol grip, making it easier to work in tight or awkward spaces. Forward and reverse switches change screw direction instantly, and a built-in LED light brightens dim work areas for greater accuracy. Compact, lightweight, and designed for one-handed use, it runs on a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, charged via USB for convenience. It's a flexible, portable fastening solution that's ready whenever you need it. Number 14. The Craftsman Cordless Brad Nailer makes finish work cleaner and simpler by removing the need for compressors, hoses, or gas cartridges. Its consistent firing power works reliably across different materials and climate conditions, so you can keep moving without adjusting for the weather. Tool-free depth settings allow quick, precise nail placement, while jam and stall releases are just as easy to operate, keeping your workflow smooth. Balanced and lightweight, with a comfortable over-molded handle, it's designed for long periods of use without straining your grip. A built-in belt hook keeps it within easy reach when switching between tasks. Driving 18-gauge adhesive collated finish nails, it's well-suited for trim, molding, and assembly projects where clean, accurate fastening is essential.